today's review is about the iPhone SE screen protector. Got this from Amazon, by the way. And it was very overwhelming to pick one, but this one seemed the most easiest and most beneficial for this bad boy, which I have cracked my screen already and just got it fixed. So definitely need to get the screen protector. So it comes in this package like so. You're gonna get all the little things that help you put the screen on. This is the guide so you can line up the protector on your phone. And you get with this one actually 3 screen protectors. So yay. So first things first. Mind you, I cleaned my surface and everything so it could be as dust free as possible. I mean, it's almost impossible to be a dust free, but hey, I just tried. So they give you these little dust absorbers, my bad for the pronunciation. Little dust cloth. Get wet wipes. And this handy dandy tool. Now, I will not lie to you. I've watched so many different videos of the application of different screen protectors on Amazon. I honestly forgot which company video that this goes to, but pretty much in a nutshell, we are going to apply the wet wipe, then dry it off, use the dust absorbers, and then apply the screen protector. Well, apply the alignment and then the screen protector. So first things first, let me take off this from me getting my phone fixed. I want to keep it as dust free as possible. We're gonna rip open the wet wipe. And excuse my brightness from the sun. Just gonna make sure it's nice and clean. Little dust cloth to wipe it off. Looks pretty good to me, but I'm going to put this on next. And it's fit very, very snug on your phone if it stays. There you go. Oh, I'm sorry. But yes, before you do any of your procedures, you're going to want to turn your phone off. So now snug on the phone. Now we're going to use the dust absorber. Feel like it should be a Terminator dust absorber. And they make this seem so easy on the video, but this thing is sticky. You're not just absorbing. I see. Okay, so this is why they folded it on the video, because you just yeah. And then you're gonna keep doing that all the way around. Now look at it. Ooh, didn't mean to put myself in the video. Look at it from all different angles. And put that on the side. And now the tricky part. This. So I'm going to look and make sure that it's as clear free and smudge free as possible, because I have seen videos where they claim that I already had like smudgies. So we're gonna, this is the back, the sticky side. We're gonna take this off and try not from the side. Keep your fingers on the side so you don't touch the screen. Put your little imprints on it because it'll be there forever. Well, until you take off the screen. Now, you're gonna take this screen protector and line it up as best as you can. Why, they gave you the thing, the positional, the alignment for your phone, and you will put it so the holes match up, everything latches up, and just pretty much kind of drop it in. And I start from the middle out. From the middle out, and then you're gonna press out the phone. You know, we want to press it and try to get those air bubbles out. And then once you pretty much got it secure to attach to your phone, take the alignment case off and then work out the side bubbles, the real bubbles. And I'm going to show you, and then you can use your fingers to press out the little tiny little air on these sides. And as you can see, not a bubble. And I'm going to turn my phone on to make sure we don't have any specks. Let's give it a second. I see a tiny little bubble. And that's that. So far looking good. And for the most part, I would have to put on a background that's brighter because I have dark mode on. So let's see. Sorry. Nope. Let's see if I can find something with a bright background that will allow us to make sure we have no specks. Well, from what I see on my Rainy Moods app, I don't see any little hairs or filaments. Sorry about that. And it looks great. So overall, from a person that is not tech savvy at all, this case right here, this tempered screen protector glass, it says hashitashi.net installed, so I'm assuming this is the Hashitashi. If I pronounced it correctly, I'm sorry if I didn't. Great, worth the buy, very affordable. As you can see, definitely easy, took less than 10 minutes. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will answer you as quick as I can. Thank you.